What, you want held? You want Mama hold you? Kobe, you want held? Alright, you spoiled little thing, you. Come here. Well, you gotta tell me you're silly girl. What are you doing? I love you. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. No! You're not trying to, you're not getting on that damn counter, girl. No! You can throw a fit all you want. But you are not getting on the dang counter. I love you. Miss KOBI LYNN. Are you Mama's baby? Are you Mama's baby? I love you. Alright, I gotta put you down, okay? I can't hold you all day. What, was that like, oh, forget about it? Is that what that was? Oh, well, I'm sorry. I just can't hold you all day. I know you would love me to, but I can't. Why don't you go play with the kids? You go play with the babies? Mama's gotta do stuff. Will you entertain her? I said, not a chance in hell, Mom. There you go, little girl. Tyson's out of there. That quick.